Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you guys saw the title, then yeah, unfortunately it seems that the head gasket in the STI has finally started showing signs that it's about to go. It was partially my mistake. I turned on anti-lag, and since I used it on this one cruise with friends, it started bellowing a bit of smoke from the exhaust, and that was about 2 months ago, and until now it still hasn't resolved itself, so I can only assume the worst. I'll leave some clips up here of basically when I first realized that it was doing that, and the most recent one that I recorded. As you saw in those clips, yeah, there is some smoke coming out of the exhaust, which at first was steam, shown by how there are water droplets on the tailpipe when it was happening. And my first thought was, oh, maybe I can try patch it up and do a temporary fix by using one of those head gasket sealers. And I used one from, I believe, Cyclo, and it actually, after a while, actually stopped the smoke coming out of the exhaust, or more specifically the steam. However, soon after the steam cleared, it started smoking a white bluish smoke, which could only mean that the leak has spread to the oil galleys in the engine block and head gasket and whatever. So with that being said, there was not much that I could have done other than to have to go for an engine rebuild and get a new head gasket. And the conclusion to that research was that it'll be getting some manually forged H-beam rods, some ARP head studs and case bolts, as well as a Tomei 1mm thick head gasket, on top of the forged pistons and supposedly billet crankshaft that is already in the car from the previous owner, but we don't actually know if it's actually for real. On top of that, we're also going to do some general maintenance stuff like the timing belt, the water pump, and whatever else is already worn out, so that hopefully we'll never have to take the engine apart ever again after this. So that's really all for this update video, guys, for now. While the car is down, that would most likely mean that there's more content either using the Subaru Forester or back to the technical explanation videos like I started out with, or possibly both. And there will be more videos coming for the STI when the build starts. So yeah, that's all there is from this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, I guess, or whatever, you can leave a like. If you have any suggestions or ideas, or maybe some advice, do leave some in the comments. And if you want to keep up to date with the STI build, do subscribe to the channel. That's all, guys. I'll see you in the next video, and take care. Bye bye.